express satisfaction in knowing we out here helping the community. You know, helping the community stay safe. You know, especially because I live in the community and my family in the community. This is a tandem. Tandem means 2 axles. So it'll hold maybe 10 ton compared to the other triaxle with 3 axle. It'll hold up to 15 ton. You can hold up to 15 ton. When, like I said, when you're salting and blading, plow speed should be between 30 to 35 miles an hour. Salting too. What else? Oh, when you keep it between 30 and 35 miles an hour, that'll keep your salt ratio and your brine ratio right. You gotta know if you salt and if you salting and you ain't check the weather and the temperature drop, that melted snow can turn to ice. You don't want to put too much salt down. You want to watch. See right here, we got temperature, road temperature, and air temperature. There'd be a lot of times the community appreciate you. They ride by, give you thumbs up, or blow the horn for you, or you go out and get coffee if you want to pay for your coffee.